Good morning, everyone. I'm Shainalyn G. Ano from grade 9 Diamond. So our topic today is problems involving right triangle. So I have here 4 guidelines of problem solving. First, understand the problem. Second, develop a plan. And third, implement the plan. And 4, look back. So I have here the 6th trigonometric relation. Sin O, opposite adjacent. Cos O, adjacent hypotenuse, and tan O, opposite adjacent, and sec O, a hypotenuse adjacent, and cot O, adjacent and opposite. So I have here one example. So let's try it to solving. Ito po yung example 1. Jillian is playing a kite whose string make a 70-degree angle with the ground. The kite string is 65 meters long. How far is the kite from ground? So, simulan na natin i-solve. So, naalala niyo ba yung the 6th trigonometric relation? So, ang gagamitin natin ay si sin data. Opposite adjacent. So, ilalagay natin. So, ito na po ang ating isolve. Ang gagamitin po natin is si sin data. Ilalagay po natin si sin data. Opposite and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So ang ating sin is 70 degrees. So, ilalagay natin. 70, then equals, then, diba, isusulat natin to, tsaka yung 65 meters. Hmm, 65 meters. And then, copy the x and equal done, and sin 70 squared and 65. So, di ba ang kailangan nating hanapin ay si distance. So, isosolve natin siya. So, isosolve na po natin siya si sin 70. Yan po, diba? And kailangan po natin yang gamitin. 10 times 65. So, ang lumabas is 61.08. So, ikakopy po natin yan. So, our distance is 61.08 meter. So, ito na po yung final na sagot. At dito lang po. Maraming salamat.